Couple of things I would like to convey straight to the point before you start your business. Number one, Dubai is not for beginners. Because if you want to export to Dubai, you need at least 30 plus lakhs as investment. Because every buyer, whether he is a commission agent or a fixed price buyer, he need you to send at least 4 containers per month. And number two, the payment is not secure. Number three, if you do not understand the dynamics of the market, then there is a higher chance that you will be losing a lot of money because there will be lot of fluctuation in agro commodities. Here is where I can help you out with my 1 decade experience in export-import business. I am going to share with you one hack in my shop which can help you out to start export-import business in just few thousand rupees. Can you believe that? Yes, I'm not kidding. You can really change your perspective towards international business after attending this workshop. To know more about my workshop, visit my website.